Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to tackle another problem that I found out about last video when I created my battery packs, and that was how am I going to get my cables, those here, and get them to this one and then get the rest of the shrinking away. I used a knife for that and it worked, but it was not very good. One of the guys on the Facebook page actually showed me a tool that seems very good for this purpose, and so today we're going to take this piece of scrap metal, made it into something like this.
First we prepare the pieces we are going to use. I'm cutting two pieces up, and they should be rather thick to be able to accommodate the pressure. In this case I'm using 1 by 1 inch piece. Grinding them off a little bit so they are even, so they do fit on top of each other. Seem to fit nice, a little bit more. A couple of quick tack welds will hold them in place. Grinding the side a little bit again because I'm going to drill here. And the same on this side. Measuring so I get the holes in the middle. I'm using 3 holes because I do want to have pressure in the middle as well. Tedious work to drill with a hand drill, but that's the only thing I have. A bigger drill for the holes for the screws. And now it's time for the middle ones. I'm doing 2 holes. I'm starting with the bigger one first. And I made this piece so I can add more holes for another dimensionings if I need. More grinding, and now it's time to weld the screws in place soon. Just before that I cut them up. Rounding the edges so they are a little bit smoother. And now tacking them into place first. And then I'm going back over and just welding them in. Grinding it away so it's smooth again. Cutting the side away where I had the welds. And when that's done, it's time to split them up. Attaching the knife itself. It should just stick out bare 0.5 millimeter to millimeter, not more than that. It's just going to cut through the outer layer of the cable.
It's now time to test this out. Hopefully it will work. So I have the bows of the razor blades inserted. So let's see if we can get this in. It's always a little bit tricky to start this. Look here. It worked flawlessly. Let's take the next one. Let's see here if we can find it. Could it have been working better than that? Let's see if you can see it close up. So guys, as you can see, this tool is now done and it seemed to work very well, and I'm very pleased with it. I haven't done anything bigger yet at the moment, and the knives I have been using may not be the best for this purpose, but at the same time it was what I had and it worked perfectly for that thing. Hopefully you get something out of this video, and hopefully you may be able to do something like this in the future as well. I do recommend it, it was very worth it. So I need to do some more cables now. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and please like and let me know.